So welcome back to our channel. So today we will discuss another important topic, which is Raas mechanism, which is difficult to understand. So I will explain you in an easy way. So Raas mechanism. The full form of this mechanism is renin angiotensin aldosterone system. Renin angiotensin aldosterone system. This is the Raas mechanism. So let me draw a basic diagram for this. So this is the glomerulus, this is the afferent arteriole, and this is the efferent arteriole. You know that the diameter of efferent arteriole is lesser than the afferent arteriole. So when the blood pressure is low, blood volume is eventually low, thereby there is a slow passage of the liquid. So this reduces net filtrate pressure, NFP, thereby reducing GFR, that is glomerulus filtration rate is reduced. So to counter this, what is the mechanism which we will see? Here I will draw a Bowman's capsule. This is a cup-shaped Bowman's capsule. This is the PCT, and here coiled network below this is DCT. So when the by, as you know, ultrafiltration, the fluid passes to the PCT, and through PCT it reaches the DCT. On the walls of DCT there are sensor cells called macula densa. Macula densa. These are sensor cells which sense that GFR is low, and these cells signal the cells present on the afferent arteriole, which are called JG cells. JG cells. These signal JG cells to release an hormone. I am showing it here. To release an hormone, renin. Renin. It is simple. Renin is released, and there is an inactive substance produced by the liver, tensinogen, which in presence of renin gets converted into angiotensin 1, which I am writing A1. Angiotensin 1, which gets converted into angiotensin 1, which is not sufficient for the further work, so it is converted into A2, which is angiotensin 2, by angiotensin converting enzyme, ACE, from the lungs. ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme from the lungs, act on the angiotensin 1, which is finally converted into angiotensin 2. So what is the importance of angiotensin 2? That we will see now. So I am rubbing this, copy this diagram because it shows a beautiful representation of the activation of the secretion of renin and the convergence cycle to which we are getting angiotensin 2. So I'm rubbing it out. So now what are the functions? Why we want angiotensin 2? The functions of angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2. First, it acts on adrenal cortex and stimulates the release of aldosterone, which is a mineralocorticoid, and this functions by reabsorption of Na plus and some amount of water. Next, this signals PCT for reabsorption and signals the seed collecting tubule and DCT for the same, that is reabsorption, and it further reduces the diameter of efferent arteriole. It further reduces the diameter of efferent arteriole, thereby increasing GFR, and if GFR is increased, blood pressure will be increased, and if blood pressure is increased, blood volume will be increased, and we will get back to the normal condition. So this angiotensin 2 functions like vasoconstriction. It further constricts the efferent arteriole so that GFR increases and we are getting back to our normal, that is normal GFR is restored back. So this is whole about Raas mechanism. If you loved this video, you can give a thumbs up and comment for more such topics which are covered in 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you.